Lannetkrystle here, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this video. If you've clicked on it, you already know what this video is about. It's about the Beautylish 2019 Lucky Bag. My husband and I both signed up for the early access because I really wanted to get the Lucky Bag XL this year, and unfortunately we both did not get lucky and get the XL Lucky Bags, but we did each get a the $75 regular Lucky Bags. Now, if you're not familiar with what Lucky Bags are, what it is it's a mystery bag pretty much that Beautylish puts together. It is based on the Japanese tradition called fukubokuro, and sorry if I said that, like butchered it, but anyways, it's fukubokuro, and it's very popular in Japan, happens around the holidays, usually after Christmas, and a lot of companies do mystery bags or lucky bags, and I just wish here in the United States that more companies did that, but you know, I'm pretty grateful that I was able to get a Beautylish one. This is my absolute first year of receiving a lucky bag. I've watched so many YouTube videos of people unboxing amazing things whenever they got the lucky bag, and this has been happening like maybe 3 or 4 years now, and this is my first year participating in it, so I'm very excited. I got 2 boxes right here. Like I said, my husband and I each got one. I'm very grateful. And if there's anything in here that I'm probably not going to keep, I will give away or give to a family member. You know, I just don't know yet, but most likely it's going to go into a giveaway because I want to give back to you guys. And for my giveaways, I just want to let you know that all my giveaways will be posted on my Instagram page. So if you guys want to know when I have giveaways or whenever I post any new pictures, I also post videos on my Instagram. Please follow me there, and you can also hit the notification setting. Make sure they're turned on so you guys don't miss out. I am going to have a native deodorant giveaway coming soon on my Instagram, so that's the first giveaway I'll be having. I may give away some makeup goodies also, so definitely please follow my Instagram page. Alright, so you guys clicked on this video because you guys want to see what exactly I got in my lucky bag. So, like I said, I got 2. This one is my lucky bag right here. It is a smaller bag compared to the one that my husband got. And let's go ahead and see what I got. Excited. So first off, I always see the cutest packaging from Beautylish. This one has a bunch of sumo wrestlers on it, and it says Lucky Bags are Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Lucky Bag 2019 and Beautylish. So some bags may be luckier than others. Beautylish would put random $20 gift cards in some of the lucky bags, and then they'll put some items that are worth more, some items that they don't sell on the website yet. So I'm excited to see what I've got. Like I said, I've watched a few unboxings already, and I hope I got different items with these 2 lucky bags. I mean, the other box that my husband got was a bigger box, but they weighed the same. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, here is the packaging. Okay, just all tissue. And I got this big old wrapped package right here. And let me just make sure that I didn't miss anything towards the bottom of the box. Okay, so again, all wrapping. Okay, I'm so excited. I have not looked in here yet. Oh, okay. So first off, we have a set of Ardell lashes right here, and they're the trio kinds. As you can see, I like to wear false lashes, but yeah, these are the trios, and they have 3 on each little strap or lash, and they come in different sizes too. So this is really nice, definitely for if you want to customize your false lashes. This is great. And I'll go ahead and put like a running total maybe towards the bottom of the page or in my comments to show you how much each bag is and the total spent. Oh, and I forgot to mention, my husband and I both spent $85. That's $75 for the bag and $10 shipping. Luckily for us, we didn't have to pay taxes because we live in Washington State, so that worked out for us too. Next, I got a Jouer Longwear Lip Cream in blush. And I don't have any of their lip creams. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a blush pink. That's exactly what it is. Very cute. I won't swatch it because I don't know if I want to keep it yet, but looks like a pretty color. Okay, so far the Ardell Soft Touch Trio Lashes are $3.25, and then the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream is $18. So far, so good. All right, next this says coming soon, so that means Beautylish does not sell this yet, but it is coming soon, and I've seen this on at other people's bags, and it's the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. And I'm excited because I absolutely, ooh, what is this? Sorry. I'm excited because I love anything skincare. Looking at the website, the Good Molecules website, it says great skin for starting at $6. So to me, this doesn't look like it's going to be a very expensive item. I would say maybe $10 to $15 just to be safe, so we can kind of do a range to add that to the value of the bag. The next thing I got is the Kevyn Aucoin The Curling Mascara. I don't have anything Kevyn Aucoin. I'm not really into expensive mascaras, but I'm willing to give this a try. And this on Beautylish website costs $28, so that's actually pretty decent priced mascara. Next, I got an Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil, and this is the smaller size. It's the 1.7 fluid ounce. Let's see how much this cost on Beautylish. So this specific size, Oribe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil, sells for $38 on Beautylish. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I might put this in a giveaway. We'll see. I just need to kind of sort out what I got, but I really do like the smell of Oribe stuff, so yeah, we'll see. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this. This is a Sonia G Pencil Pro brush. I don't know much about Sonia G, but these brushes feel so nice. Like, they're handcrafted in Japan. And I believe this one is not available yet on the Beautylish website to purchase. It says coming soon. So let's go ahead and see how much this costs on the website. So the Pencil Pro brush costs $26. That's pretty expensive for a brush, but I hope, oh, this feels super nice. I hope this is worth it. So that's the Sonia G Pencil Pro brush. And the last item I got is a eyeshadow palette. This is a Viseart eyeshadow palette. Don't know what kind it is. It says the Tryst palette. Ooh, bubble wrap, fun. Okay. This sucker. Wow, okay. So here it is, the Viseart Tryst palette. It comes with 9 eyeshadows, and I love Viseart. These are amazing quality eyeshadows. I had the, I think it was like the Theory palette. It had 6 eyeshadows. Wow, this is really nice. Like, the packaging is very sturdy. Let's go ahead and open it. These colors, oh my gosh, these scream, I can use that right there. These scream like everyday fall type colors to me. This is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I don't have a lot of Viseart palettes, but this excites me the most. So let's go ahead and see how much it is on Beautylish. Okay, so the Viseart Tryst palette retails for $49. That's pretty expensive. So if you think about it, I spent $85 on my box, and I have everything in my bag at the moment that I could find except for the Good Molecules serum. So the value of the box, with everything excluding the Good Molecules, is $136.25. Oh, plus the pencil brush. I wasn't able to add that to my cart. So 136 plus, how much was it? 26. So overall value of the box is $162. Not bad for $85. I did get more than what I spent. But the real question is it worth it? Am I going to keep everything? I don't know yet. So that was box number 1. Now on to box number 2. And this one is actually a bigger box. So I hope I got something real good in here. And I'm also hoping that I didn't get any duplicates from my first box. So let's go ahead and open it. Same packaging and everything. So excited. Okay. Same black tissue wrapping. Have this small or little packaging pen. It feels like there's multiple things in here. Ooh. And I have one bigger box, and I think I already know what's in here. And let me just double check that I don't have any $20 gift cards hiding. Nope, just more packaging, so it's not a super lucky bag. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and unbox the first thing in here. This is, ooh, I knew it. It's the Best of Lip Topper collection from Jouer. It comes with 7 different mini lip toppers. And let's see how big these lip toppers are. These are beautiful. I'm definitely keeping these. I'm obsessed with lip toppers. Anything glitzy, glittery, I'm obsessed. So this is a good value. I think the set retails for $33 on Beautylish. Okay, so onto my little baggie here. I already see something that I absolutely love and have been wanting. Okay, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. Okay. So this looks like it's a Natasha Denona 5-pan palette, full size, in the set Camel. Yes, it is. It's the Natasha Denona Camel palette, 5-pan colors, and this is like your neutral, everyday, very simple set of shades right here. You really can't go wrong with these shades. They're very warm and absolutely beautiful. So the Natasha Denona 5-pan Camel palette costs $48 on Beautylish. The next item in my lucky bag is the Oribe Mystify styling spray. It's the smaller size, so this retails for $22 on Beautylish. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep this. We'll see. I might throw it in a giveaway, but yeah, so that's not bad. Got another Good Molecules item. This one is different from the first bag. This is the Wake Up Eye Serum, and I'm assuming this is gonna cost maybe $10 to $15. I don't know, but yeah, let's go and open it. I'm curious to see what this looks like. Oh wow, you get a lot. That's a pretty big bottle. For an eye serum. You get 1 fluid ounce, and it's a very heavy glass bottle, so far the quality looks good. Okay, I have 2 more items. I got a Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Magic, and I don't have any of these shimmer veils. Ooh, that is pretty. It's a champagne pink shade. These are like lid toppers, I think. And let's see how much they cost on Beautylish. So the Cover FX Shimmer Veil retails for $28 on Beautylish. That's kind of expensive for a shimmer veil. I don't want to swatch it or open it yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. So yeah, that was in my bag. And last but not least, I got another Sonia G brush, and it's not the same as the other brush I showed you. This one is the Blender Pro. Oh my goodness, this is super nice. The bristles are super soft. I already know I'm gonna love this. I love brushes. I was hoping for a Wayne Goss brush somewhere, but it's okay. Sonia G is, you know, same quality. And let's see how much this retails for on Beautylish. So the Blender Pro, this brush costs $34. Whew, that's expensive. Okay. So let me go ahead and add everything up in this box and tell you how much the value of everything is. So the total of this box is also $165. So different items, but cost the same. So that's pretty good. And that's not including the Good Molecules items. So I'm gonna maybe top another $10 on top of that. So overall, each box costs $175. We paid $85 each, so we got more than double our money worth of product. So that is it for the 2019 unboxing of my Beautylish Lucky Bags. Will I be doing this next year again? I don't know. It's a maybe. I really do want to try to get an XL, but based on the unboxings I've seen this year, the XL wasn't so great. But I don't know. I really like things that I got. There are some few things that I'm going to throw in a giveaway. So if you follow me on Instagram, you guys are the first people to know when my giveaway will be. Things that I will keep for sure for my Lucky Bags are both the Good Molecule skincare, the Peptide Serum, and the Eye Serum. So definitely keeping these two. The Viseart Tryst palette for sure. The Natasha Denona palette for sure I'm keeping. Both Sonia G brushes and the Jouer mini lip topper set. So these are the items I'm keeping for sure. Everything else might go into a giveaway. So yeah, that is it for my unboxing. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up like normal. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell if you haven't yet. And follow me on Instagram to see what kind of giveaways I have going on. Again, thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.